Hello everyone, welcome to BBWFM Hub. We are back with a new video. In this video, we are going to learn the difference between occupancy and utilization in inbound calls. So let's start. So here we have the components of the call that we will use in calculation of occupancy and utilization. So first of all, what is occupancy? So occupancy means the percentage of time an agent is spending on handling the interactions out of the production time. This is the occupancy. And now utilization. Utilization means the percentage of time agent is utilizing on system in direct supporting to the customer out of the total logged-in time. So to better understand this, let's see with the examples. So here we have the total logged in hours. Total logged in hours, we are taking 540 minutes. That means 9 hours of shift we are considering. Then we have the talk time, the time when agent is spending on talking on the calls. Hold time, that means while talking, agent might put the calls on hold, that is the hold time. Here we have the 10 minutes of hold time. Now, after call work, or we can also say this wrap up time. So this is when agent completed the call, but he or she must do some documentation or any other work related to the call. So that is, we are considering the after call work or wrap up time. Here we have 40 minutes of wrap up time. Now available time. Available time means whenever an agent is ready to take the calls, but none received. That means agent is ready, but no call is receiving. So the time spent on that is called available time, and here we have 100 minutes of available time. Ringing time, when the bell rings. Basically, we consider the ringing time in the calculation for domestic call centers. Here we are not considering in the calculation because it's not idle. It's not any production or anything like that. So we are not considering. Now we have the breaks. Breaks is 60 minutes. Breaks includes everything. Break, meal break, lunch breaks, bio breaks, everything that is 60 minutes. Now we have the idle time. Idle time means any unproductive waiting or system issues. That is idle time. So here we have the idle time of 50 minutes. Now we have training. Training is anything. Training on the upskill training or schedule learning time, anything. So that is 30 minutes in this case. Now team meeting. Team meeting is internal things, one-on-ones, any update. So all these things are included in the team meetings. So here we have 15 minutes of team meeting. Now let's start or see what is productive time. So productive time means time spent on direct consumer related work. That means talk time plus after call work plus hold time. Talk time, hold time, and after call work. These are the timing that the customer agent is spending on customer related work. Now, what is the production time? Production time is the sum of productive time plus available time. It means production time means time spent on direct consumer related work as well as the available time. So T75 plus 100, that is 375. Now let's calculate the occupancy. So as I already told you, occupancy is the percentage of the time an agent is busy in handling the interactions out of the production time. So we have already seen that the agent is handling the interactions in this productive time. That means 275 minutes. Out of the production time, here we already have the production time, that is 375 minutes. So occupancy will be 275 divided by 375. That means productive time divided by production time, which comes as 73% occupancy. Net login time. What is net login time? Net login time, it is equal to production time. That means all the time that agent is spending on consumer related work as well as the available time. So that is the net login time. Here we have 375 minutes of net login time. Now what is the utilization? Utilization means the percentage of time an agent is utilizing on system in direct supporting to the consumer out of the total logged in time. So here we have seen that agent is utilizing this 375 minutes. So 375 minutes divided by 540, that is the total logged in time. So occupancy is 69%. Hope so. You understand the difference between occupancy and utilization. And hope you like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. And thank you.